the mindset and tools of a successful CEO. Despite the brilliance of the role, being general manager can be an exhausting, lonely, and stressful job. Studies show that under constant pressure from the results of boards of directors, stakeholders, shareholders, employees, or customers, many of the new appointments in this position turn upside down in the first 18 months. What is the attitude and approach of a successful CEO? Is the question I will answer with the intention of sharing from my over 10 years of experience in this role. So, what are the key points to be noted? Number one, clear strategy. This point involves careful analysis, knowledge of market forces, making bold moves in time by reallocating resources, planning mergers, acquisitions, and divestments, capital expenditures, improving productivity. It also means reformulating the vision and redefining success through performance indicators such as market share, margin, return on net assets, or other returns as relevant, cash flow, organizational health. Number two, organizational alignment. It is often driven by a methodical approach to matching talents to the roles that generate the most value. It is therefore important to identify the most important roles. Subsequently, it is essential the selection of the best professionals and the creation of a talent pool to ensure the succession in the future. In addition, measuring and managing the cultural elements that generate performance increases the chances of the strategy being implemented at least twice. All of this means organizational design, modeling, team-level bonus programs, not just individual ones, and a lot of training. Number three, the team and the processes. The management team must perform. In order for this goal to be achieved, the general manager must calibrate the individual relationship with each manager, keeping the distance to be objective but being close enough to give confidence and receive loyalty. In addition, the general manager is good to take stock regularly and to improve the meeting protocols, the quality of the interactions, and the dynamics of the team management. The general director shall also ensure consistency between the decision-making processes and the allocation of resources by the executive directors. It is important for the CEO to ensure that management processes reinforce priorities and advance execution as well as refine the strategy. Number four, the role of the board of directors. A defining aspect is the promotion of a visionary agenda that goes beyond the traditional roles of the board of directors so that it truly provides expertise in strategy, mergers and acquisitions, technologies, resilience, and external communication. The role of the CEO is to correlate the efforts of the top managers with those of the members of the board of directors, to build relationships based on trust and transparency with them, and even to facilitate their connection and collaboration with the CEO. In addition, the CEO must ensure the efficient functioning of each member of the board of directors by creating learning opportunities on topics such as new technologies, emerging risks, changes in competition, and so on. Number five, the stakeholders. Relating the company's activity to the common good it generates for the people in the team and the community is very important. From this point of view, the general manager must make efforts to create new jobs, respect ethical work practices, and reduce the impact on the environment caused by the company's activities. Over 75% of customers say they would buy the products and or services of a socially responsible company. In conclusion, it is important for the CEO to interact with customers strategically, to be in touch with the most important investors, to allocate time for contribution in business community forums, to get involved in industry representative associations, as well as in the relationship with the regulatory bodies. Linking the board of directors with the top managers, the CEO may work with them to create effective models of operational risk and corporate governance that anticipate potential crises and prepare responses through role allocation, stress testing, action plans, and emergency communication. Responsible for the performance of an entire company, the role of general manager is not at all comfortable. Therefore, the human and professional quality of the leader of leaders in the company matters. Definitely, those appointed to this position can increase their leadership skills by understanding and adopting the mentalities and practices that define the excellence of a general manager. About PKF Finconta. For more than 26 years, PKF Finconta is one of the 10 leading professional services companies in Romania. Since 2006, we are a member of PKF International Limited. PKF International is a leading international business advisory organization. The company grew consistently over the years, forming a group of 4 companies, namely PKF Finconta, PKF Finconta Consultanță, PKF Finconta HR, and Finconta Consulting SPRL, members of National Professional Organization, CECAR, CAFR, CCFR, and UNPIR. We provide a wide range of business advisory and related specialist services. We have 7 core areas of expertise, and within these areas, we tailor our services to your business and your needs. Audit, corporate finance, tax, bookkeeping and accounting advisory services, transfer pricing, payroll and personal administration, and insolvency. Find out more about our company and our services on www.pkfinconta.ro.